It's G&J on vacay, and we are at Excellence Punta Cana Resort in the Dominican Republic. And we're going to show you a beautiful, beautiful Excellence Club room with private pool and ocean view. This room is in a great location, ground floor, close to all amenities, close to the restaurants, theater, everything you want to see at the resort. And there's a real wow factor, so stay to the end of the video, we'll show you the wow. But as you enter the room, you can see it's more than big enough for two people. It's a large room with two sliding doors, and that's really where the wow factor is going to happen. This is a great spot to put your luggage. Right there, stack it up and leave it there for the week. But as we head into the bathroom, it's it's more than big enough bathroom. 2 mirrors, 2 sinks, toiletry items added. The water closet where the toilet is more than big enough, and there's a sliding door to separate it from the rest of the bathroom. Then you've got a huge shower, more than big enough for 2 people. The rain head shower is huge. Now, the pressure on it it's just like a rain coming down. So if you want to really clean off in the shower, there is an actual hand shower that works perfectly. Other things, there's slippers, there's hair dryer, anything you need in the bathroom is there for you. And then they have this cool thing called an Xbox. Room service brings your food, they leave it in there, you don't have to deal with them. It's a great idea. So yeah, there is a closet, and look it's a walk-in closet. You can walk right into it. It kind of is a surprise. You know, you're provided with robes. There's a safe there. You can actually get your shoes shined. There's a steamer. I got to say though, there is not a lot of closet space in here as far as, drawers to put your clothes in, but you can stack your clothes in this walk-in closet. So you can see full room here. It's a nice sitting area there with a rocking chair, large king-size bed, jacuzzi tub there in the middle of the room with a flat screen television. So really everything you'll need. So we head on over to the corner of the room here. There is a working station, alcohol provided, whiskey, top shelf rum, vodka. And then there's a little fridge, and it's got water, snacks, Presidente beer. There's a Heineken beer as well, and soft drinks. And they'll stock that every single day. Also, beside the bed, there's plugs and there's USB ports for charging your phone, which is very convenient. And you hit the button here and you can ask for the maid to come, or you can say, please do not disturb. So there's a little light in the hallway in front of your room to let the staff know. So here we come. We come to what I would call the wow factor in the room, and here it is right here. Private pool, deck, ocean view, just spectacular. There's a bed there, big padded bed with a cover over it to keep you in the shade. And you'll see right here, look, we're right beside the Excellence Club waterfront pool. The Palm Bar is right there to the left. They will walk up and serve you just like you're actually around the pool. So if you can't find a spot around the pool, no problem. You just come over to your own little private deck, and servers will come right up and serve you. It's fantastic and very private. We had coffee every morning on this little spot. So you can see you almost have your own little backyard here with the view of the ocean. So, we're G&J on vacay. We're a couple that love to travel, and we love to share our travel adventures. We have other videos of Excellence Resorts, Excellence Playa Mujeres in Mexico, and Riviera Cancun in Mexico, and other Excellent Punta Cana in Dominican Republic videos as well. So check them out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, hey, we'd love to hear from you. And here's a link to another Excellence Resort video. Check it out. And happy travels.